Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 30 and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on reset phone, and as you can see on the second position we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on it, and here your device is informing you what it will actually reset, so among others the disabled apps, and background data restrictions for apps. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset apps and basically this is it. This is how to reset up preferences in your INFINIX device. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.